Hello, it's really nice to have you on this channel. You know, this project that I'm about to show you is a very cool one. I just decided to, I just decided to learn movie pie. When I did, I said, okay, this one is a very cool one for videos. So I decided to put it into a kivy application so that to make it more pleasant for other users. So when I finished it, it looks very nice. So I decided to show it, to share it with you guys, to see what you think about it. So actually, this is how the program looks like. This is the code for the application. It's not that lengthy, but it performs a good function. This is really the main home page of the application. I intended to create really a video to audio converter, but like when I finished, I said, okay, let me just add something to it. So I decided to add this file reader. Like it reads files of any format for you. Just select the file and see of any format. So okay, let me just select a file. And I created a particular 60 file proposal for it. So here is it. So if you click on read from it,
Hey, it's me again. Let's go to a room.
you can see that it's reading, but like the man reading right now, it's not that clear. The voice, he's not reading the words clear, and then his voice is very ugly, and it's due to like the voices installed on my machine right now. I have about 75 voices installed on my machine, and with all those 75 voices, not even one is a female voice. I don't know. I'm using Linux, so like I don't know why they have not included female voices. The female voices looks more pleasant and nice to listen to. They speak like it's sweet and it's nice. But these bold men with their voices, sometimes they even read you something quite you don't understand. But the main reason why the words are not clear is because we have different languages in there. You can see Welsh or something like that. You can see Zwish. Those ones are languages. So like the man reading it is not, he's not an Englishman. So when he's reading those English voices, you will not hear, you will be reading it in his language, so you will not hear it well. So I'm still trying to filter those languages and pick out the English ones. Okay, it's now for, let's go to our main content here. So like this one, you select a video of either MP4 or MKV format. You can choose to give it any other formats. I just use it to MP4 and MKV. So you select it, give your file a name. Let's say hey, yeah. So click on convert. So it actually works in the background. When it's done, you can see this ugly design here saying it has been extracted successfully. And when you go to the directory of your application, you can see I've created some file. This is the one we created here. So when you click on this here, hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to another YouTube channel from your favorite guy. So you can hear some ugly voice too. That one is it's when I was trying to make this video, I just did those capture and do something. It's a very ugly one. So it has been saved successfully, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Now you just have to deal with it. So it's not relevant. So I'll make a video showing you guys how I program it. We just do it from beginning to end, how I program it. It's really nice having you. Please, if you like it, please, if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe so that we can see each other in the next video. See you later. Thank you.